Before bringing in base materials, the soil beneath should be shaped to accommodate drainage throughout the yard. A 3/4 clear crush can be used in drainage channels or as a first layer base for additional drainage. The base is built with a 4 to 6 inch layer of 3/4 crush and fines. Place and rake the gravel out evenly to your desired grade, and then give your project area a thorough soaking. Once the base layer is nice and wet, run the plate compactor over the entire surface to compact the gravel into place. Remove any big rocks from the surface and be sure to tamp down areas not reached by the compactor. The shape of your base will be the shape of your finished yard. Take the time to look for any high spots or low spots before bringing in the final base layer. Rock dust is used as a skim coat to create an ultra smooth base beneath your grass. You want a 1/2 inch of material spread evenly across your project. Place material all over to avoid disrupting the compacted base with excessive raking. Once it's all placed, smooth the rock dust out, fill any low spots, and remove any rocks left behind. Give your project area another thorough watering. There should be no visibly dry spots. Smooth away any bumps or debris with a push broom before your final compaction. If your moisture level is right, the compactor should leave your surface looking as smooth as concrete when you're done. Start with the edges and work in a spiral pattern. Always overlap your seams and be sure your entire surface is compacted. Clear away any remaining rocks and high spots. Check all of your edges. The smoother your base, the smoother your grass. With the base looking good and ready for surfacing, it's time to pull a tape measure and put some reference marks down according to your turf plan.